Hello, I'm Jim Jachetta, CTO and co-founder of VidOvation. As you know, Wi-Fi wasn't designed for large spaces. So if you operate a public venue, warehouse, or any large open space, it's no surprise you're experiencing spotty performance, low bandwidth, and bottlenecks with your current Wi-Fi solution. Get enhanced connectivity for your staff, customers, and operations with private 4G, 5G wireless networks. These networks offer greater efficiency, allow you to replace between 10 and 20 traditional Wi Fi access points with just one private 4G, 5G access point while boosting your network security. Eliminate interference and reliability issues by owning the spectrum with 4G and 5G connectivity options tailored for your specific needs. Visit vidovation.com to learn more. Thank you and have a wonderful day.